Everybody loves a good IKEA list, myself included. So today I am bringing to you a video that includes 5 things from IKEA that you should buy for your kitchen. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. And today we're talking all about IKEA items that I use in my kitchen every day. I love these things for a few reasons, because number one, they are handy and I use them all the time. I think I already said that, but I do. There's no other way to say it. I use them all the time. 2, I purchased all of these things over a year ago and they are still great condition and they still work great and like they have a lot of life left in them. And the third reason is because they are actually priced extremely well. Like, I want to say that they're cheap, but like the durability is not cheap, but price wise they are cheap. So let's get into it. The first thing that I use all the time, and you've probably seen them in my previous videos, are these cutting boards. I love them because they're super easy to store. They're super thin. They have some flexibility, but they're still very durable. And then I can just toss them in my dishwasher. I just wash these at night in my dishwasher. And for the pack of 2, it's like $1.99 for both of them. And I think I bought like 3 packages because I use them so often. And I love them so much. So this is definitely something to grab the next time you're at IKEA. If you have kids, this next item is something you need to buy. And even if you don't live by an IKEA, go online and order them, because even with like the small shipping fee, it is still totally worth it. So it's their dinnerware and their flatware. So these cups, they are so sturdy. Like, I am pushing as hard as I can. They do not bend at all. Dishwasher safe. In fact, I purchased this one. You can see that like the colors change sometimes. I purchased this one like literally 5 years ago, and we're still using it. Every day we use this and it still looks brand new. Same with the plates, same with the bowls. And can I tell you that you get 6 of these for $1.99. So 6 bowls for $1.99, 6 plates for $1.99, and 6 cups for $1.99. People, you cannot beat this anywhere. And then the cutlery, the forks and the spoons, the knives, you get an 18-piece set for $1.99. So you get 6 forks, 6 spoons, 6 knives for $1.99. You just can't beat this. And the quality is amazing, and you can toss it in the dishwasher. We love these plates and these spoons and these forks, these knives, cups, bowls, all the things. Buy them. You will not be disappointed. Before I get to the third item on my list, do me a favor and like this video if you are a fan of IKEA and all of the IKEA goodies that we can find there. And comment down below, let me know if I'm missing anything, what you like to buy from IKEA that's a great deal. And just so we're all aware, like, this is not sponsored or anything in any way, shape, or form. These are just things I like genuinely love and use. Okay. Next up might seem a little funny, but it's my dish scrubber, my dish scrubber brush. I have used this. You're going to think this is gross, but I've used this exact same scrub brush for over a year, and it's fine because guess what? I toss it in my dishwasher and clean it, and it stays clean. And the bristles are like rough enough, but not like, doesn't scratch things, but it actually cleans. And 50 cents, people, 50 cents. I actually bought 3 of them because I thought they were such a great deal. And I've only even used one. I think I used the other one. I used one to like scrub my showers actually, but 50 cents. Yeah. Get yourself one of these. The next thing on my list is this Cork heat trivet. So this is like when you're pulling a pot off of the stovetop, like mac and cheese, and you don't want to set it right on your counter. this bad boy. It works great. We use these all the time for when our bowls are hot and we don't want a hot bowl like on our dining room table or on our counter, things like that. We always just set this down and set our plate on top, and then we don't have to worry about, ruining our dinner table. I love these too just because they're very neutral and they're not bright colors. They kind of go with any decor, and you get 3 of them for $3.99. So again, super inexpensive for what they are. And we've had these for over a year and they still work great, look great. I use them literally every day. The last thing is in this drawer here. So you can come and take a peek in a second. But it is my cutlery, organizing tray. I love it because it has so many spaces and they have so many different options available. But I have it so that it's large enough that it fits almost perfectly in my large drawer here. I can organize the adult silverware and the kids silverware, and then we have extra space in the back for some knives and things like that. It is great quality. It's super heavy duty, and it was pretty inexpensive as well. I want to say that it was like $7 or something like that. Okay, I decided to just pull it out so I could show you. So this is the organizer. It is super heavy duty. I feel like I could get to work out doing that. And we have 2 different sizes here. These ones are bigger and smaller. So I've just organized my kids over here and adult silverware. I don't know what else to call it over here. And then I've got my Thermapen and knives, little corn holders, all of the random things back here. And it's all nice and organized, stays organized. And it's heavy enough that it doesn't slide around in your kitchen drawer. It actually has little feet on the bottom that have grippy things on it, so it will stay put inside your drawer, which is really handy. I hope you've enjoyed this video of the 5 things that I have personally enjoyed in my kitchen from IKEA. Comment below and let me know if there's anything I've missed, things that you love from IKEA that you use all the time in your kitchen. I always love to find a good little thing from IKEA to buy.